Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I'm come up with Goan style. That is again my grandmother, my mother, my aunties, we all do this Akhi Masoor, and this is our one way of doing Akhi Masoor. So there are many ways. So this is the one way of I'm showing you of Akhi Masoor in Goan style. So for that we need around 2 tablespoon, not very big tablespoon, but a small tablespoon of fresh grated coconut. Okay, and then we need little bit of pudina leaves and few bunch of coriander, then 1 ball of tamarind, then we need 5 of peppercorns and 4 of cloves. Then here are some Kashmiri red chili, that is 4, which is non-spicy, and these are Goan bedki chilies around 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and around 6 of small flakes of garlic. Then I will be adding also ginger garlic paste. Then 1 chopped onion like this. And the main ingredients is Akhi Masoor, that is Masoor Dal. This is like unpolished, you will say, and it is whole Masoor Dal. This is like full Masoor and unpolished. So the other version of this is orange color, and this is like brown color. So I am taking 1 cup of this. I had soaked it overnight, then washed it, soaked it overnight, and today I boiled it with, so if it is 1 cup of this, then you have to take 2 cup of water, add pinch of salt to this, and I boiled it and it is nicely cooked. So I cooked this for around 4 whistles, because it was soaked overnight, so that's why 4 whistles were enough. Okay, so now the next procedure. So this is the measurement what I use for coconut. Now more coconut, less coconut is up to you. I am taking only 2 tablespoons of coconut because I am okay with it. Now I will take around this same 2, 3 of this size oil to roast my all ingredients. We need to roast everything, don't roast the turmeric. So first we'll go the coconut in this, and we'll roast it nicely. Brownish. Let it get nicely roast and nice color. So as this is getting roast, let us put others also, like onion. So I will put onion at the side of here. And our cloves also, and the peppercorn. As this is getting fried nicely along with the coconut, we can mix it all together. We will fry our chilies also. So let our chilies also go in here. chilies and all only if there is any moisture or something is there. Now we'll add the garlic also and roast this all masala. And after this, after it gets nicely fried, let it get cooled down to room temperature, and then we will grind it to a nice paste. There are many versions of Akhi Masoor, so I will also show you soon the other versions. So this is nicely roast. Now I'll put off the gas and let it get cool, and then after that we will grind it along with the pudina leaves, that is mint leaves, and the coriander leaves, and tamarind with the turmeric powder. Now as the pan is hot, we'll also add a ginger garlic paste to this. So I'm taking around 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. The pan is hot, so some don't like the aroma, some like the aroma. So done. And now we will wait and then grind it. So I am taking the jar. I had done some mint and coriander today. So that same jar I am using it. So add this all and then add our turmeric powder, this coriander leaves, this tamarind, this pudina, and the turmeric powder. And we'll grind this by adding water. So here is our masala ready. Now we will add this to there, fry it little and add the dal, and it's done. So we'll use the same pan. And I will use the same water in the mixer here. So let's fry this nicely, masala. for around 5 minutes. You fry this nicely. I have not added oil in the pan now, so whatever we fried or roasted the masala with that only which was there. So now this is fried nicely. Now we will add our dal. So here it is along with the water. Let it go inside this. Mix this nicely. Check the salt, the consistency how you want, whether it is thick or whatever it is. So I think so I am okay with this, but I will add little water to this, whichever we had this, that I don't want to waste. And let's check the salt, and we'll garnish it with kasuri methi little. So we need salt. So salt to taste. And either you can add little of jaggery to this, little of jaggery, or you can add little of sugar. Either way of yours, whichever you want. So I will add little bit of jaggery. So around this much, 1 teaspoon. So it's optional. If you want, you use. If you don't want, then please. These are my kasuri methi. Mix this all, and maybe for 5 minutes let it get nicely along with the dal, let it get cooked, and it's ready. So kasuri methi is optional again. It's for a flavor. It is like fenugreek leaves, dry fenugreek leaves it is. So now I will garnish this with some coriander, and it's done. So hope you will enjoy this Akhi Masoor in Goan style. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Take a close up. It's very tasty. Okay. Even if it tastes little like, wow, see. So it's nicely done. All flavors. So it tastes little bit nice. It will go very nice with rice. Thank you.